Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Edwin, and Edwin has come in today for her 1-year follow-up. She actually did a video at 4 months, and what an incredible difference, wouldn't you say?
Oh yeah, a big difference.
You look absolutely amazing. The before pictures to now is, we looked at them, it's incredible. Tell us your experience, share it with everybody on.
Well, my experience has actually been very pleasant. I actually was able to go back to work sooner than I thought. It was a simple cover-up, like a headscarf, a band, more like a headband, and I honestly didn't have that much pain. It is a little bit, I would say, how would I describe it? More in the sense of anxiousness, because you can't wait to see your hair, you can't wait to play with it. And by 4 months, I actually really had a pretty decent growth. And now that it's been a year, I couldn't wait to cut it and style it. I honestly feel like a new person. I really do.
I honestly didn't recognize you when you walked through the door. If you would not have said, "Hi, it's Edwin, I'm here for my 1 year," and I had to look at your before pictures that I did this morning and say, that you look nothing like your old pictures.
I don't at all. I love it. I really do.
Would you bend your head down for us?
Sure.
Yeah. And to the left and to the right. Perfect. And I looked for your scar. Look, I looked for your scar, was not able to even see your scar. So the fact that your scar is pretty much invisible, like you said, you had to almost feel to go ahead and find it. And let me have you look the other way.
Sure. I love it.
For somebody who's thinking about getting a hair transplant, what would you recommend to them?
Definitely do it. You have to save, but it's definitely worth it. When you see how you look before and you see now, oh my gosh, I feel so much better. And I did it before I was 30. Now I'm 30 and I can't believe it. I really feel like my age now. Before I felt like I was aging so fast. It's amazing.
Edwin, I am so thankful that you were able to stop by today, and we thank you here from Natural Transplants. So happy you got your hair back, and it's brought a new person to you. And again, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. If you're looking to get hair, please contact us here. And again, thank you so much for coming.
No, thank you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.